When searching for the right auto body repair shop, keep these important things in mind. If you need body work done on your car, you want it done right away. This usually means getting multiple estimates, and doing the research becomes a real hassle. However, there are easy ways to save time, money, and protect yourself from being taken advantage of. The following are 3 vital tips to help you find the auto body repair shop that is right for you. 1. Get it in writing. Before a shop begins work on your car, make sure you understand exactly what's being done, what's included, and how much it is going to cost. 2. Don't be oversold. Some shops may recommend including other parts of the vehicle to preserve the paint job continuity. Request estimate options so you are not making unnecessary repairs. 3. Always ask if they have online testimonials or positive reviews they could direct you to. There's more you should know about choosing the right auto body repair shop. The information we provide could save you time and money. Just visit our website or call us today.